Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend, and baby, your beauty best friend has some new products for you. I just got a new shipment of brand new products I have not even dropped yet by MAC Cosmetics. And I said, you know what? Let's unbox them together. So you know what to do. Grab your beverage, grab your juice, grab your cocktail, and let's get this unboxing party started. Let's go. All right, so I'm super excited. I got this a couple of days ago and I've been holding on to it. It's still in the box. It's still in the bag. MAC Cosmetics sent me the new Powder Kiss Eyes and Liquid Lip Color. So I'm gonna read you at the back of the card. Look at the card, it's so cute. So it says, believe it when you feel it. Our award-winning Powder Kiss lipstick has been transformed into 2 all-new formulas. Experience a weightless kiss of color from your lips to your lids with Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color, delivering 10 hours of moisture, and a Powder Kiss Soft Matte Eyeshadow for an effortlessly diffused effect. Get ready to show off your new Powder Kiss looks using #MacPowderKiss. And of course, you know, MAC has always been green, even before being green was super cool. So it says green is the new black. MAC is committed to exploring new ways to reduce waste and conserve energy. This reusable bag and ox were designed using post-consumer recycled plastic. Please compost or recycle all contents accordingly. I love it. So you guys know, I work for MAC. I've worked for MAC for a very long time, and I'm super excited to be able to even get these items like this to unbox and review. I love Powder Kiss lipstick. It was introduced a couple of years ago, and it's been one of my favorite MACs because it's moisturizing. So I'm super excited to unbox these. I have not played with these yet, and I'm super excited to see, you know, if they're just as comfortable and as fabulous as the Powder Kiss lipstick. So let's start with the eyeshadows first, because you know, we got lots of lippies in here, but I want to do the eyeshadows together. So there seems to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 eyeshadows. And I'm just gonna swatch them and we're gonna go shadow by shadow. Is that okay with y'all? I hope it's okay with y'all because I'm excited. I know I'm gonna try to calm myself down because y'all know I get really excited when I get new products. You know, I'm a product junkie. So we're gonna do this together. First up is an eyeshadow called Best of Me. You have the Powder Kiss lipstick. You know the packaging is like this soft velvet touch, and the packaging for the eyeshadow is the same thing. So this is Best of Me. This looks like a nice little, I know it looks a lot lighter for you guys. This looks almost like a vanilla cream. So brand new, as you can see. I'm gonna place my finger in it. Look how creamy, it's so soft. Oh my gosh. All right, so here's Best of Me. So even with it being a soft cream, this is really, really pretty even on my skin tone. And look at that payout. That is almost opaque coverage. And this is one of those eyeshadows that looks like you can even use without a primer and it would still be okay. Obviously, you want to use a primer because it's going to make everything look and last really long. But baby, okay, sorry. All right, guys, you know I got like 9 more of these to go through. But here's the first one. This is Best of Me. Super pretty. Second shadow is called What Clout. And it looks like, from what I could tell, it's like a light cognac. Ooh, pour me a cup. All right. Oh my God, so look how warm and it's like a nice taupey brown. It is like a light cognac. Oh, now this is a good nude, honey. Yes, especially for chocolate boys and girls. Look at that nude. I'm gonna do a separate video, but I get so excited. Oh my sweet gherkins. This is like the best, like, I don't wanna have anything on, but I wanna have something on. I'm just gonna do a little light cognac on this lid. Look how pretty that is. Oh, and look how smooth. I promise you, my eyelids look so diffused and blurred. Ooh, and this is not even a RuPaul filter. Ow! This one is called Give a Glam. Like, frankly, Scarlett, I don't give a glam. This one is a blackened chocolate brown, and what I can tell is I think it got broken. Wah. It did get broken. But honey, that don't stop no show, because what you do is get you a little container, and you dump it in your little container, and now it's a loose pigment. So we're gonna loose pigment this. Soup, look at that. And we're gonna place it right here. Ooh, look. Now, if this is not a nice chocolate smoky eye in the making, look at that. Now, again, medium. This is like full-on coverage. One swipe. Oh my gosh, love it. Darling, I don't give a glam. It's gonna be Devoted to Chili. Now, Devoted to Chili is pretty as a lipstick, so I'm super excited that now it has a matching eyeshadow, so we can live our best monochromatic life. Ew. So I just cleansed my hand, and we're gonna continue this show. Look at this rusty orangey brown color. Ooh, I love Devoted to Chili. Who do you want to be devoted to? Haha, to Chili. Look at that. Look how silky that is. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Let me come closer for y'all. I'm just gonna do a second swipe, because this raw, look at that color. Beautiful. So now you can have Devoted to Chili matching lips and eyes. And in the pincheroo, you can either have a little matching cheek. Strike a Pose is next. What? Yes, Strike a Pose. This looks like a little light peach color. And it is. So this is nice peachy. There we go. See that peachy color? Perfect. So let's see what that looks like. And you know what makes this so unique? Look how warm that is. It's not cool. It's not ashy. It has just enough pink in it to work on my skin and on a lighter skin. Ooh, she's cute. Strike a Pose, baby. Yes. So this one is called, next up is Lens Blur. Now, this might be my new jam. Y'all know I love the color purple. I think it pisses God off to walk past the what? Color purple. This is gorgeous. I don't even want to touch it. It's so pretty. Let's see what this looks like on our skin, darling. I can't. I can't. I tried, but I can't. Look at her. Yes. Yes. Come on, Violet. Come on. Violet, you're turning violet. Come on, Violet. Violet, you're turning violet. Ooh. Look at this color. Yes, Lord. I'm going to try to sneak in one more here. But, oh, my God. Lens Blur. She's a winner, baby. Work, work, work. Yes. Work, 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 work. This is going to be more of a red. And this is also a lipstick as well. So, yes, this is a top performing lip color in terms of lipstick. I'm loving that this is a matching eyeshadow. So all you girls that want to, can I get a red eyeshadow? Here you go. It's matte, it's soft and silky, and it's blurring. Look at that red shadow. Work, work, work. Yes, baby. I'm gonna just do another swatch. Look at that. Look how you can build the color intensity so lovely. It's so gentle. It's so easy. Yes. I can already tell you, I'm living my matte life. I ain't going back and forth with those shimmers. I'm living my matte life. Yes, I'm living my matte life with these eyeshadows. I know, guys. I'm gonna keep going. Ooh, Ripened. Another Powder Kiss lipstick with now a matching eyeshadow. This is like a muted mauve. So let's mauve me down. Yeah, I just felt it. I felt that this was going to be so pretty. Now, y'all know I got some looks churning in this head of mine. I'm like, you could do a little bit of Ripened. You could do a little bit of that black and chocolate brown. You could do a little lens blur, a nice sickening type of eye. Yes, Lord, a little graph black eyeliner. I'm giving y'all all, I hope y'all got your notepads out. I hope y'all writing these things down because I'm giving y'all looks, honey. Serving y'all looks. And we ain't even got to the lips yet. Look at that. I love ripened. Next up, fall in love. So this is like, it looks like a pink. Let's go ahead and get this out the package. And she's a pink. For the kids that love a good old pink. Now this pink looks like it has a little bit of blue in it. So I'm not mad at it. Let's see how it looks. Oh, she's bright too. Look at that. Yes. Come on. Yeah, she's a little, I want to be Pepto-Bismol, but I got a degree, so I got a little bit older in age. She's a little aged Pepto-Bismol realness. Yes. Loving her. We're going to do another swipe. Now, that's pretty. Last but not least, so hot right now. Yes, yes, yes. Play on words. As in haute couture. So hot right now. This looks like a blood. Oh, my Lord. This is an orange. But just look at this orange. Look at this orange. Oh, she looked like she's about to be a cousin to Brick and Rule all at the same time. But, sorry, I got a little selfish. I did the swatch for my eyes only first. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Let's go ahead and add a little bit more. Look at this orange. If that's not pretty, add you a little Teddy eyeliner, a little coffee eyeliner, a little Photo Gravure eyeliner. Yes, go. And I don't even have a brush around. Let me tell y'all right now. Look how warm this is. Honey, who needs a sunset on the balcony when you can look into my eyes? Look how pretty that is. And now I got to do the other eye because, you know, I just can't be chilling up on here uneven and looking crazy. Look at that. Oh, I love a good orange. It brightens up the eye. You can use this as blush as well. So this is so hot right now. All right, so that's done for eyeshadow. Guys, this collection launches August 10th in North America. I hope you enjoyed us unboxing this together. You know I love unboxing new products. You know I get really, really excited. So I hope you feel inspired. I hope you made your shopping list. But most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, and leave me a comment. Tell me what your favorite combinations were. And I hope you enjoy. Until next time, stay safe, and I love you lots. Bye.